Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Campbell and I want to welcome you to ITC117. This little video just gives you a little brief explanation on how the course works, how the website works, things like that. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to my website. That's Dr. Campbell's website, and it says, the address is salemstate.edu/R Campbell. Now, the tilde key is this little wavy line, and that's directly located on your keyboard under the escape key. So if you look at your escape key, upper left hand corner, you do shift tilde. That's the little wavy line. So to get to my website, you go to salemstate.edu/tilde key, then R Campbell, and that will take you to here. This is my website. I've already gone there. Now, if you're new to online learning, you've never taken a course before, you might not know what your username and password is, and this will tell you how to begin the class if you've never done it before. Those of you who have a username and password, well, you'll know how to get right into the course. But for those of you who don't, just, these are the directions right here, how to begin your online class right there. It's all the information you need to know to get started. Okay, now once you're here, I want you to go through my website, and this box here is a bunch of links. If you want to know about the textbook, click on the link for the textbook, and it brings you down to the bottom, and it tells you textbook information right here, and so forth. Then you go back to the top, and if you want to learn about the course description, click on the course description link, and it'll take you to the course description. Then you can click back to the top. But do scroll through the website. There's a lot of very helpful information there. And while you're there, make sure you double click on my photo here. This runs a little video. You get an introduction to meet me. So I'm going to double click on the picture, as you will, and it jumps you into a YouTube video, and I tell you a little bit about the class. That's all. So, okay, so I'll close out of that one. Okay, now, the next thing you've done after you've been through my website, you want to begin the course. And here's how you actually begin the course. The course website is salemstate.edu/mywebcourses.edu. Whoops, my web courses. Sorry about that. Back up on that. My web courses. So the correct website address for the course is salemstate.edu/mywebcourses. Notice that it's all lowercase letters. If you use capital letters, it won't work. So make sure you use lowercase letters. Now, I'm going to now pretend I'm starting the course for the first time. So I go to Internet Explorer and I type in the web address that I just told you about, salemstate.edu/mywebcourses, and it brings you to the login page. Now here's where you'll type your username. Now you have to hold on a second while I go to this other computer and type on my username. And tab and okay, let's see if that works. Okay, it actually did work. I got a little glitch there. I gotta click OK, and now there we go. Now it takes you into the website itself. Now, for most of you, you'll just be taking one course or maybe two, and your course will be listed on this window that I'm moving my mouse in. And I'm going to just scroll down to one that I'm currently working in so that I'll have the right information to show you. Let me see, that'd be this one here. And so you click on the course you're taking, and then of course, you'll have a different view. You'll be in student view. I'm going to click on student view. You won't have the instructor view like I do. And here's where the course begins. You'll see these file folders. And we're going to begin the course by opening up it says how to begin the course. You open up that file folder, and it tells you how to begin the course. You open that, and there's a word processing document that tells you, oops, okay, you're going to open that up. It tells you how to begin the course, what to do, all special kinds of information that's very helpful and necessary. Okay, now I'll go back to here and close out of that. Okay, and then we get back to the course content here. Here we go. And so let's see. We're going to begin the course with the word processing unit. So all you do is go to the word processing unit file folder, double click on that, and it opens it up and it gives you the assignment list. So you double click and open up that, and it gives you the list of assignments that we're going to be doing and any special information you need to know, like assignment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tell you exactly what you have to do, no problem. You can easily see what you have to be responsible for. And what about due dates? People are always worried about due dates. Let me go back to course description, and there's a file folder here, due dates. You click on that and you open it up, and I suggest that you open this up and print it out and keep it beside your computer. There's a calendar. It tells you everything that's due and when it's due. Okay, it's very easy. There's references to help you all along. And as you do the word processing unit, in the word processing file folder, which is this one here, I'm going to open it up again. There's documents that will help you, like how to do the resume thing and how to insert and move various things. But anyway, these are other documents that may be helpful later on. Now, the key thing in doing the course is you got to stay in contact with me. That's essential. There are two ways that I contact you. One is by email, and the other is through the course announcements. Now, there's a button right here on the left-hand panel. You click on that, and your announcements will always be given to you here. Always check that, and always click on the button for email. And I've got a bunch of incoming mail from students and whatever that I'll have to address myself. Okay, so anyway, so that's how that works. The two key buttons on here are, again, the announcements button. Watch the announcements at least a couple of times a week. Check that. Check your email a couple of times a week so that you stay in touch with me. Okay? What I'd like you to do right now is go to your account, open it up, and go to the email and click Create a Message. And where it says Browse for Recipients, click on Browse for Recipients and go to where it says To and click Robert Campbell. See? Click right there, To Robert Campbell. Then you have to scroll down and click Save. Okay, now I want you to send me, and this is a requirement, it's a course requirement, on the subject line you have to do this. You have to put your name. I'm going to say I'm Joe Smith. So I'm going to put Joe Smith. And then I'm going to put my phone number, 978-555-1212. And then in the body of the message, I've got to come down into the, you have to give a message or it won't work. And in the message, put, tell me a little bit about yourself. And Joe's going to say, I'm a senior, I can't type very well here. I'm a senior and I work as a account executive and so forth. And tell me a little bit about yourself. That's all. Just tell me a little bit about yourself. I want to know, are you a full-time college student? Are you working part-time, full-time, whatever? Just tell me a little bit about yourself so I'll get to know who you are. Okay. And that's it. And then click Send. And then I will have your contact information. And the only time I'd use your phone number is to call you, like if something's important or missing, or your work needed, say you submitted something and I think you could do better if you change something around. I might give you a call and give you a chance to resubmit something. So, but I do need to have a phone number for a contact number. Okay, so that concludes my little brief introduction here. So before you finish your session here, do log into your account and send me an email with your name and phone number. I'd really appreciate that. And you're going to have a great time with the course. I really mean that. Okay, so that's it, and I wish you great success in the class.